Arabian women have some of the most beautiful hair in the world. Thick, long, flowing like silk. But their secret? It's not expensive products. It's ancient rituals. Passed down through generations. Quietly, lovingly. Today, I'll share it with you step by step. The oiling ritual. The first and most sacred step. Oiling. Not just once in a while, but regularly, as a ritual. And the star. Black seed oil, or Kalonji. Prophetic medicine says it cures everything but death. Arabian women believe it wakes up the scalp, stimulates growth, and heals from within. How to use. Just warm a few drops. Kalonji oil will thicken your strands, reduce hair fall, and bring life back to thinning areas. It detoxes the scalp and wakes up weak roots, helping your hair grow stronger, longer, and healthier. Massage gently into the scalp, and cover with a warm towel. Do it 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll feel the difference. The natural cleanse. Shampoo. That's rare in traditional routines. Instead, they cleanse with Sidr, powdered leaves from the lote tree. It purifies the scalp, strengthens follicles, and protects natural oils. No harsh stripping. No chemicals. Just nature doing its work. How to use. Mix Sidr powder with warm water until it forms a smooth paste. Apply it directly to the scalp, just like a shampoo replacement. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the nutrients cleanse and calm your scalp. Then rinse gently with lukewarm water. No need for shampoo. It removes buildup, soothes irritation, and leaves your hair feeling fresh, light, and full of volume. Feed the roots. Arabian women know healthy hair begins from strong roots. They nourish the scalp using trusted herbs, and one of their favorites is fenugreek. How to use. Take about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and soak them in water overnight. By morning, they'll be soft, swollen, and ready to work their magic. Blend them into a smooth, thick paste, and if the texture feels too grainy, use a cheesecloth to strain it for that silky finish. Now, add a little oil, just a teaspoon of coconut or olive oil, to soften the mixture and make application smoother. It adds thickness, shine, and helps reduce hair fall. Apply this paste directly to your scalp. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse gently with lukewarm water. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective. With regular use, it can add shine, improve texture, and control hair fall, all without chemicals. The secret Arabian oil blend. And now, the crown jewel of Arabian hair rituals. Now, what if we combine all of these ancient secrets into one powerful oil? Just like Arabian women have done for centuries. Start with olive oil. This will be your base. Pour it into a clean glass jar. Next, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of castor oil for thickness and growth. Take Kalonji seeds, also known as black seeds full of scalp healing goodness. And add in fenugreek seeds too. You can crush them gently with your hands, or grind them in a grinder for better infusion. It's all a game of infusion. The smaller the particles, the deeper the magic seeps in. You can also add a few drops of argan oil for softness and shine, but that part's completely optional. Seal the jar and place it under sunlight for 5 to 7 days. This slow, natural infusion makes the oil stronger, richer, and more powerful than using heat. Once ready, strain and store it in a glass bottle. Use it twice a week before wash days, and just watch what happens. This blend can solve almost every hair problem from hair fall to thinning and help your hair grow faster, healthier, and stronger. Arabian hair care is not just about growing hair, it's about honoring it. Every strand, every root, is treated with love and intention. Start small. Be consistent. And your hair will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Blooming Living and follow for more natural beauty that truly works. See you next time. Bye.